this morning with ice cream, and everywhere is disgusting because I'm moving to another apartment. Okay guys, this is the last day I'm using hair toning for 6 months, and it wasn't good for me. You know, it's Black Friday and we got some stuff. I got a set from American Eagle and a top, something from Victoria's Secret, and these are for my husband, and this, and a lot of things for my kids. So more stuff and everything is on sale. We got these for my son, Crocs, and this was the best deal. It was, I think, more than 80% off. I got 2 dresses. It has also pocket here. I like the color. It's long dress, and this one. I like American Eagle because the quality is really perfect and nice. And these are for my husband from Colombia. Oh my god, I can show you. Perfect. Also, this one is for my husband from Gap. I like the quality and color. This one is also from Gap, and this one, and these are for my son. I'm really happy, like I bought for myself. This one and these 2.
make sure you give me details, okay? Here we go.
So just came back from IKEA. I got these two. So I got this bowl. Wow, it smells amazing.